Hello, in this video we will learn that how we can enable auto adjust serial numbers. Uh, we have a list of inventory. Normally we add serial number like this 1, 2 and then select these two cells and double click the serial numbers are added. Let's say if we remove one cell, one row, sorry, row number 15, I am removing it, delete. Now you can see serial number is disturbed. After 10, it is 12. 11 is missing. I'll press Ctrl Z to revert it back. If you have a long list, let's say 200, 2000, 3000 entries, and if you have to remove some cells, it is difficult to adjust serial numbers again. But we have solution for that. I'll show you how. First of all, remove these serial numbers. Click on the cell where you want to start the serial number equal to row function, row, bracket start, bracket close. There will be nothing between the bracket, minus sign. Okay, now after minus, you can see the cell in which the serial number 1 will come. It is row number 5. You can see this row number 5. So after minus, we will give the number less than that row. Here we have a 5, so we will enter the number 4. If we will be creating serial number in row number 6, then we will give here 5, one less than the current row. Press enter. Now select this cell, double click, and it is auto filled. Now I will remove any serial number, any row. Look, automatically the serial number is adjusted. After 10, it is 11. I will press Ctrl Z again, and now you can see again the 10, 11. I will remove this printer row, printer, delete. Printer is 11. Now you can see the row serial number is not disturbed.